Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm iLegends and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today, guys, I will be unboxing the new Brio 4K Pro Webcam for you guys. Here it is. So I will be giving you guys my thoughts and I'll review it. So let's get started. So inside the box we got the camera. Here we go. So let's get it out. There it is, as you can see, guys. So we got some cables in here. Let's see how we get this thing out. There we go. There's the camera. So we got some cables in here, guys, of course. We got these cables. We got something to put the camera inside if you want to carry it over. So here you got this cable, probably to connect to your PC to use the camera. You got some menus, which is cool. I like it. You got this menu here. If you want to look it up, you can look it up. And you got this and the actual camera here. And that's it, actually, guys. So welcome to my new YouTube channel, and I wish you everybody a happy new year.